Hi guys. Hi guys. For my simple story, I decided to retell the story of The Little Red Hen by Mary Mapes Doge. And here we go. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen um, who lived on a farm. She was friends with a lazy dog, a yellow cat, and a noisy yellow duck. One day, the little red hen found some seeds on the ground. The little red hen had an idea. She would plant the seeds, and she would plant the seeds. The little red hen then asked her friends, "Who will help me plant the seeds?" "Not I," barked the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the yellow, noisy duck. "Then I will," said the little red hen. So the little red hen brought the wheat to the mill all by herself, ground the wheat into her flour, and carried the heavy sack of flour back to the farm. The tired little red hen asked her friends, "Who will help me bake the bread?" "Not I," barked the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the noisy yellow duck. "Then I will," said the little red hen. So the little red hen baked the bread all by herself. When the bread was finished, she asked her friends, "Who will help me eat the bread?" "I will," barked the lazy dog. "I will," purred the sleepy cat. "I will," quacked the noisy yellow duck. "No," she said. I will." And the little red hen ate the bread all by herself. I hope you enjoyed my story. Thanks for listening.